Good morning, Miss Lim. I'm Coach Kai, and today I will present about the postfix notation in stack diagram in computer architecture. And my lecture section is 1214. So I am from group 13, and this is my group member, Yabzixin, Chuishan, and Guoxin Ran. So we go to the program execution expression. So the first we need to know what is the postfix notation. Postfix notation is like put the operator to behind the operands, like a plus b minus c. So the postfix of that is abc plus minus. Okay, so first of all, we need to know what part you want to do first. In this question, there is three parts need to do it. So in my example, I use the first part h minus a plus c multiple g multiple I. So in postfix notation, we need to do the bracket first and then the multiple and divide. So in this case, we do the a plus c multiple g first. So we do the multiple first. We put the multiple to behind the g. So the line 1 will be h minus a plus cg multiple I. So it's still in the bracket, the a plus cg multiple. So we need to do the a first. So the next line will be h minus acg multiple I. So we done the bracket first. So we need to see the next step. This is the minus and multiple. So we do the multiple first. So the next line will be h minus acg multiple plus I multiple. This multiple will be behind the I because the acg multiple plus is in the bracket. So this I is out of the bracket, so the multiple will be behind the I. So next, we need to do the minus first. The line 4 will be HACG multiple plus I multiple minus. The minus will be the behind because we need to do the minus lastly. So we go to the next line. So this first part is done. So we go to the second part. This is the question. D divide by E minus F. So we do the divide first. So the answer will be DE divide by minus F. So the next line will be do the minus F. So the answer is DE divided by F minus. So we done the part 2 now. So we go to the part 3, B multiple K minus J. So in this case, we need to do the multiple first. So the answer is BK multiple minus J. So we done the multiple. Now we go to the minus J. So next line will be BK multiple J minus. So now we look at the next line. We do the divide first. So the solution will be DE divided by F minus BK multiple J minus divide. So we done the divide first. So now we look at the plus. So the solution will be HACG multiple plus I multiple minus DE divided by f minus bk multiple j minus divide plus. So the plus will be the lastly. So in this case, we can know the postfix notation is like put the operator to behind the operands. So now we look at the stack diagram. So in stack diagram, we need to know 2 points. One is push, one is pop. Push means that add the operands into the stack. Then the pop is removed. So now we look at the question. It's the same. We need to know what part you want to do first. So in my example, I do the part 1 first. So we do the h minus a plus c multiple g multiple I. So we just follow the operand in this question. So we push h, push a, push c, and then push g. So we stop the g. This is because we need to do the bracket first and then the multiple and divide. So we put the operator into the stack. So the stack will be c multiple g. So now we put the operator plus. So the answer is a plus c multiple g. So we look at the multiple I. This is because the multiple is do first, right? So we push the I first, then we put the multiple into the stack. So here you can see the I is here. We push the I, then we put the operator into the stack. So the last we will do push the operator minus into the stack. So the answer is h minus a plus c multiple g multiple I. So okay, so next we do the part 2. So we need to push first, push the D, then we push the E. We here we don't push the F because we need to do the divide first. So we put the operator divide first. So the answer is D divided by E. So we push the F and push the minus. So part 2 is D divided by E minus F. So now we go to the part 3. The same lah. We use the push B, push B, push K. So we stop the K because this is multiple. So we push the operator multiple. The answer is B multiple K. So we push the J here. Then we push the minus. So the answer is the part 3 answer is B multiple K minus J. And then we need to combine the part 2 and part 3. So we do the divide first. So we push the operator divide. So the answer is D divided by E minus F divide B multiple K minus J. So in this case, we need to put the plus lastly. So the solution it will be H minus A plus C multiple G multiple I. So the plus is here. So D divided by E minus F divided by B multiple K minus J. Okay, so thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you, Miss. Bye bye.